Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream cheese frosting. Achieving perfect cream cheese frosting starts with properly softened ingredients. Make sure your full-fat cream cheese and unsalted butter are at true room temperature. This prevents lumps and ensures a smooth, creamy texture. It's a crucial first step for a delicious frosting that spreads beautifully on your cakes and cupcakes. Once your butter and cream cheese are perfectly softened, it's time to whip them together. Use an electric mixer on medium speed, beating for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl often. This ensures everything is thoroughly combined, creating that wonderfully smooth base for your frosting. Now for the sweetness. Gradually add your powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed to prevent a mess. Once incorporated, increase the speed slightly and beat until smooth. Finally, stir in your vanilla extract. Be careful not to overmix at this stage, as it can make the frosting too thin. We want that perfect, spreadable consistency. Your cream cheese frosting is almost ready. If it seems too thick, add a tiny splash of milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. If it's too soft, a quick chill in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes will firm it up nicely. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.